when the bikes come in, we do an inventory and we decide what needs to be done. So we're inventorying this bike right now. And I don't know, what do you think, in 1993? It's pretty cool. And the coolest part is it's got this huge seat. Well, that is for some people, might say that. Looks like it's got some patina. We can get that off. New brake pads we'll have to put on. Probably do new cables in and out. I think this is a nice bike. It does have a hub that's loose. See that? Not too bad. But we're going to grease the hubs anyway. We're going to grease the crank. I already threw the pedals away. I forgot to start this video. I already threw the pedals away, and the kickstand is something else. It's corroded like crazy. But it didn't seem to hurt the bike too much. So it's 3 up front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess it's a 15 speed. So what do you think it's worth? And we're going to grease the headset. Grease the front hub. I think this is going to be a nice bike for somebody. We'll keep it out of the dump. Thanks for watching.